will the app work for every exam? For this one, it goes two ways. It depends. It might not be. Reason why is because of this thing, it will depend on the module that you have registered. Some of your modules will require you to write a portfolio for 3 hours to 4 hours. Mostly, that's why you use the app. Some of the portfolios, they might say that no, you have 3 days to do your research and stuff like that. There, you don't use any protocol. You just only have to follow the instructions that are there on the assignment or the portfolio that you are given. And then there are some certain modules that they don't have any examination. Maybe let's say that the last assignment, they may take it as a portfolio and stuff like that. I can give an example. SJD does not have an exam. But when you're writing assignment 7, that's where they will tell you that assignment 7, you need to get 15% going up because of it is out of 30%. When you write it, they say 100, but when converted, it's going to be out of 30%. You need to get 15% going up. So they regard assignment number 7 as a portfolio. IRM, which is Introduction Methodology Research. So that one, they will give you a portfolio maybe for 3 days, 5 days, depending. But it will be more than 2 days. It will be more than 2 days. It does not have any protocol also. But when it comes to things such as an exam that has, maybe let's say you have to write it for 3 hours, for like going up. Maybe let's say 3 hours to 4 hours or to 5 hours. That's where you'll have to use it. And then some of the exams is a multiple choice. On a multiple choice, you don't even use it at all. All multiple choice, they are 2 hours or less. Most of the time, they have 50 questions. So multiple questions, they have multiple choice questions. They have a Moodle protocol. That's the regular. I forgot the terminology, but that's the method that they use to make sure that you don't cheat and stuff like that. But when it comes to Invigilator app, it depends. Most of the time, those ones that kind of like take 3 hours to 5 hours, those are the ones that are likely to use this thing of Invigilator